Namaste. Welcome to Ameya Online. In today's video, we'll be showcasing Kanchi cotton sarees. These cotton sarees come in beautiful color combinations and interesting colors. So what you see on her is sari number one. Sari number one is this beautiful
Striped saree.
check sari
Yeah.
with nice traditional borders, gold borders on both the sides. It's got small buttas on the body of the sari, like that. It's a nice green and blue color combo. And can you see the pallu?
Small mustard color.
Yeah, and that's the pallu with small checks, and it's got this stripes in the pallu. So this is sari number one, priced at 17.99. The sari does not come with a blouse. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845 996 886. Sari number two is a beautiful red sari with the woven borders on both the sides. The borders have beautiful elephants and peacocks, like that, woven. And the sari also has small buttas and checks. So that's the sari, and this will be the pallu, like that. So the sari doesn't come with a blouse and it's priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us.
Saree number.
So the sari number three is this beautiful green sari with zari borders on both the sides. It's got these beautiful zari borders on either sides, on both the sides, like that, and it's got checks pattern on the entire body of the sari.
It's got thin mustard border on.
Yeah, it's got piping borders on either sides again, like that. So that will be the pallu with the simple stripes and buttas all over. So the sari number 3 priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Sari number 4 is a light green sari with pink borders on both the sides. Okay, it's got different borders on both the sides.
Ganga Jamuna.
Ganga Jamuna kind of borders. Yeah, so that will be the sari. It's got beautiful pink border on one side and a purple border on the other side, and it's got buttas again, thread woven buttas on the body,
Elephant.
like that. Yeah, so that will be the border. That will be the sari. Can we see the pallu? Sorry. Yeah, so it's got a nice simple pallu with buttas and lines, like that. So this is sari number 4, priced at
17.99.
yeah. So to block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Sari number 5 is this beautiful brown sari with very pretty borders on both the sides. Very classy sari, like that, and it's got small buttas on the body, thread woven buttas. So that's the sari, and that's the pallu with stripes and buttas. The entire body also features the small checks, right? So that's the sari number 5, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Sari number 6 is the green sari. It's a nice parrot green sari with the pink borders on both the sides, zari borders, like that. It's also got a small temple border on both the sides, like that. So that will be the sari with stripes and checks. So can we see the pallu? And that's the beautiful pallu of the sari. So this beautiful green sari is priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So this is a nice sandalwood yellow sari. Like you can see, it's got zari woven borders on both the sides and small temple borders on both the sides, thread woven temple borders, and it's got small buttas and checks all over the body of the sari, like that. And that will be the pallu. It's got simple stripes and buttas in the pallu, and the sari is priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. Moving on to sari number 8. Sari number 8 is a beautiful silver zari sari. Yeah. So that's sari. It's a blue sari with silver zari borders on both the sides, like that, and it's got beautiful silver zari buttas on the body of the sari, like that. So that's the sari with small checks and buttas. And can you see the pallu? And that's the pallu with small zari buttas and stripes. So this is sari number 8, priced at 17.99. To block the sari, please take a screenshot and send it to us. So we have payment options like Paytm, Google Pay, and all these options. So please let us know how you would like to make a payment. And
delivery charges.
and we also don't charge you extra for shipping. The charges within India are inclusive of shipping. So this is sari number 9, priced at 17.99. It's a red sari with silver zari borders on both the sides and silver zari buttas on the body of the sari. It's got these small checks and temple borders on both the sides. Can you see the pallu? It's got a simple zari pallu, like that. That's the pallu. So this is sari number 9, priced at 17.99. To block any of the saris in this video, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845-996-886. And please follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube. You may also visit our store in Sharat City Capital Mall, Hyderabad, Kondapur. And also, thank you. Happy shopping.